Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your cart on the Grubhub app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're new to Grubhub and you actually started ordering from a restaurant but you no longer want to order from that restaurant. How do you actually go ahead and clear your cart? Now I recently came across this issue myself, and the way to do it is that if you click on view order, then scroll down, it's actually empty bag that will clear your cart. So if you click on empty bag, then click on yes, this is going to clear your cart on the Grubhub app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and clear your cart on the Grubhub app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.